Hello, friends. I wish you're doing very well and having whatever you want. Today we are going to make another large portobello mushroom stuffed, and this is the version 2. Last week I did version 1 for you, and this will be version 2. The difference is we are going to use potato instead of breadcrumbs, and we are also going to add eggs. Now we remove the stems. We are going to chop the stems and use them as a garnish later on. So now that the mushrooms are ready, I'm going to chop the stems into small pieces. We are going to roast them and put them beside the stuffed mushroom. Now what we need is 2 eggs, shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese, chopped garlic, chopped fresh parsley, chopped fresh coriander, and chopped green onion. We are also going to use some salt and herb later on. I will show you. Now just finish these mushroom stems. As I mentioned, I'm going to roast them and put them beside the stuffed mushrooms. For anyone who wants to put them on top of the mushroom and have them. Now we have boiled 2 potatoes, and I've taken the skin off and chopped them into a smaller piece so that it will be easy to mash them. Now I'm going to mash them. This will have a totally different taste to version 1. You can come up with any idea you have, add different type of things to stuff the mushrooms, and see which one you like best. Now I'm going to add the chopped parsley and chopped coriander and chopped green onion. Now I'm going to roast the fresh chopped garlic and get them ready. We don't put them there in the mixer as raw, so I'm gonna put them in frying pan and put some olive oil and fry them a little bit, not too much, and then add them to the mixer. When we added the roasted garlic, we are going to mix them. And we also add a tablespoon of dry aromatic herb mixture that you can have a look in the description and see what it consists of. You can make it yourself, or you can use any aromatic herb you like. Now we add a teaspoon of salt. This is the breadcrumbs that we used on the previous version, but not this time. We are going to use the potatoes. Now we add 2 eggs and mix them together. Now we add some of that shredded mix of cheddar and mozzarella cheese. We keep the rest to put on the top of it after it's cooked. Now we are going to have a baking tray and put the parchment inside, and then put the mushrooms on top of it. Now we are going to add the stuffing in the mushrooms. The amount of stuffing we made were adequate for all the 4 mushrooms, so we generously fill them up. Now the oven is heated to 180 degrees centigrade. When it's ready, we are going to move the mushrooms to the oven. But before we do that, we are going to add some butter on top of them. You can either use butter or spray olive oil on top of them. Butter makes it very delicious. I'm trying to use thin layers so that it covers the top, and when they melt, they cover all the stuffing. Now we will put the mushrooms in the oven on the middle rack and give it about 15 minutes. We keep watching through the window. 15 to 20 minutes should do. After removing them, we are going to put them in a serving plate. Now we are going to add some shredded mozzarella and cheddar cheese on top, and because the mushrooms are warm enough, they're gonna melt. And we're also going to add the mushroom stems that we roasted in front of them as a garnish, as you can see. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you liked the video. Please don't forget to leave comments. Have a nice day and see you later.